In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile car loan in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to your company homepage. Make sure you've got your latest car loan statement nearby. You'll use the ending balance and the statement ending date from that document to verify what's in QuickBooks. From the homepage, click Reconcile. This opens the reconciliation tool, which compares what the lender says you owe with what's recorded in your books. On some accounts, QuickBooks may take you to whatever account was last reconciled. If you see an account such as allowance for bad debt displayed, go ahead and select it as shown so we can access the reconciliation fields. In the reconciliation window, enter the information in the highlighted fields. Type the statement ending balance exactly as it appears on your lender's statement and set the statement ending date for the same period. QuickBooks will calculate the difference for you. Accurate numbers here make the rest of the process smooth. Next, switch to your actual car loan account. Click Loan, so you're working in the correct liability account for the vehicle. Again, fill in the highlighted fields with the ending balance and the statement ending date that match your car loan statement. Double check for extra spaces or commas, since even small typos can throw the difference off. When everything looks right, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks now shows you the transactions it has for this loan during the period, typically monthly payments that split between principal and interest. Compare what you see to the lender statement. Your goal is for the difference at the top to read 0. If something doesn't align, pause and look for timing issues, duplicated payments, or amounts that were categorized incorrectly. It's better to correct entries first than to force a reconciliation. Once the difference is 0, click Finish Now. QuickBooks marks the period as reconciled and stores a reconciliation report, so you've got a clear audit trail. You can view or export that report later if you need support documents for your files or for your accountant. That's it. By moving through Reconcile, confirming the highlighted fields, choosing the loan account, and finishing once the difference hits 0, you keep your car loan balance accurate and your financials clean. Repeat this each month right after you receive the lender's statement to stay current and avoid surprises. Remember, the interest portion of each payment should post to interest expense while the principal reduces the loan liability. Consistent categorization makes next month's reconciliation faster. If you ever need to revisit the reconciliation, the report history makes it easy to see what changed, which helps with year-end audits.